see how about a nice big hello to all our guests. Come on, guys, say hi. Well, you know what, folks? Here at Ocean Adventure, we are very much concerned about the environment. Even our sea lions want to do their part to help and protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. So, officer.
Yes, officer.
Is everyone ready to go?
Let's see, officer, just eat. So, girls, are you ready? And yes, we are ready, officer.
Good. Now let's show these folks how sharp we are.
Okay, no problem.
Ready?
Ready. Hey, Pearl, what are you doing? You're not supposed to sleep. Hey, Pearl, wake up. Pearl, I said get up. Well, I know. Would you like some fish? Very funny. Well, now to work in the field, our sea lions must be strong and physically fit. And that is not a problem for Sophie and Pearl because they are South American sea lions. They're not a seal. But how can you tell? First, they have these big and powerful front flippers. But how powerful are they? Check this out. The drum roll, please. Hey, Pearl, come on.
You know what? Why don't we ask Sophie? Hey, Sophie, did you see that? How's that for a strength? You see that? She says not bad.
Hey, what do you mean not bad?
Because I think Sophie here can do better than that.
Oh, really? So we would love to see that.
Okay, Sophie, step down here and show these folks what real strength looks like. Another drum roll, please. See that, officer?
Yes, that was great.
Well, there's another feature that makes them different from a seal. It's their hind flippers that rotate, making moving on land so easy. Okay, girls, show them your back flippers.
Okay, back flippers.
There you go.
But true seals, on the other hand, are very much different. They have small front flippers, and their back flippers don't rotate, so on land they move a little bit funny.
Now, folks, would you like to see Sophie and Pearl's imitation of a seal?
Hey, would you like to see it? Yeah. Okay, girls, show them a seal.
Hey, officer.
Yes, officer.
This looks like a seal.
And this is how seals walk.
Okay, now see what we mean a little bit funny on land. Now, folks, how about a big round of applause for Sophie and Pearl?
Okay, bye guys. See you in a little while. Now, Pearl here would like to demonstrate a very important skill that every member of the Marine Patrol must have, and that will be the remarkable self-control. So here's what I'm going to do. So I will ask Pearl to lie down on the deck just like that. Okay, stay right there, Pearl. And now I will place just a fish right in front of her face. So the rule is she can only eat this fish on the clap of my hands for only one at a time. So let's start with the first fish. Okay, she eats and she stays. Great job, Pearl. Now let's try the second fish. Okay, she eats and she stays again. Now this time, try to tease her. Everybody, come on, clap your hands. Louder! I see that. She's not listening to you. Okay, Pearl, third fish. There you go. So one more fish to go and we are done. So last fish. Oh no, folks, tell me, did she eat the last fish? Yes. Hey, Pearl, why did you eat that? Show them what happens to a bad sea lion. Paano daw? Well, of course, we're only kidding. We don't hurt our animals here at Ocean Adventure. In fact, I'm going to give her another chance. But this time, let's make it more difficult. Because instead, on the deck, I will place the fish right on top of her nose, where she can see it, she can smell it, but she cannot eat it unless I glove my hands. So, folks, same rule applies. Everybody, come on, try to tease her again. Clap your hands. Louder! I see that. She won't eat it is our very own Officer Wang. Officer, take it away.
Thank you so much, Officer Kim, and we are here to meet our new friend, and then there she is. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. What's your name? MM. Alright, Miss MM, why don't you begin your friendship with Sophie by giving her a good rub down on the back? Sige, i-rub mo siya, Miss M. See? Is Sophie nice? Yes? Of course, she's nice. So, Miss MM, since you are Sophie's new best friend, she would like to give you a very special treat. And that is a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. So, Miss MM, are you ready for the kiss? Are you ready? Yes? Alright, go ahead, Miss MM. Offer mo yung cheek mo. And hold it. Wow! That was a juicy one! Great job, Sophie! Sophie, that's enough? So, Miss M, how's the kids? Did you like it? Yeah? Alright, let's put it this way. If you are to rate Sophie's kiss from a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best kiss that you've ever had, what would it be? 10, a perfect score! Great job, Sophie! So, Miss M, are you saying that Sophie's kiss is even better than your special someone's kiss? Yes? Andito po ba yung special someone mo, Miss M? Wala. Pero, Miss M, parating mo na lang yung message ni Sophie. What's the message, Sophie? And what does that mean? Okay, let's go! Of course, I'm just kidding. Miss M, thank you so much for being a great guest. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Alright, Sophie, you may now go back to Officer Justine. Now, moving on. To stay in shape, the Marine Patrol would like to compete in an exciting contest of strength and agility, and that is the Sea Lion Challenge. So again, I am looking for another volunteer who thinks that he is brave and strong enough to compete with our current champion, Sophie. Alright, I'm sorry mga ates, but this time I'm looking for an adult male. Adult, meron po ba? Ayun, meron isa dito si Sir. Hello Sir, good afternoon. What's your name?
What to do?
Jomar. So Sir Jomar,
Yeah,
are you
yeah.
going to show us how hard-bodied you are?
Kay.
Yes? Sir, do you have any idea what you volunteered for? Wala? Okay, sir, okay lang ba if you come with me on stage and I will explain everything to you? Okay lang? Sige sir, dito tayo sir, come on.
Magiging sila
Alright,
yung
so we meet the current champion of the Sea Lion Team Challenge. Here's Sophie! And here's our challenger.
Alright, Sir Jomar, come with me please. Lapit tayo kay Sophie and give her a friendly handshake. Lapit.
Akala ko naging sila yung
Sige sir, bumakan mo. And shake it. Great job sir. Sige Sir Jomar, dito kami muna sa tabi. So folks, this is how it goes. Sophie here will be giving Sir Jomar some tests to see if he qualifies to be an honorary member of the Sea Lion or Green Patrol. The basic rule is, whatever Sophie does, Sir Jomar, you have to do it as well. Okay ba yun, sir? Kung ano yung gagawin niya, yun din yung gagawin mo. Alright, folks, let's ask Sophie. Sophie, are you ready? Oh, not yet. Well, Officer Justine, I think Sophie needs some warm-up.
Kayo, pare? Kayo? Binato na.
There you go. Now, how about a massage? A flipper massage. And the other side, officer?
Buti hindi nabasa.
And a back massage. Now, let's ask Sophie. Sophie, are you ready? Oh, yes. Ready na si Sophie. Sir, ready na si Sophie. I think you also need some warm-up. Warm-up ka lang, sir. Gawayahin mo yung ginawa ni Sophie, okay? Ganun ka, sir. Hands on the seat. Tapos, go ahead. Stretching. One more. Another one. Now, for the massage, spread your arms. There you go. And lastly, a back massage. So, Sir Jomar, ready ka na? Alright, folks. Sir Jomar is ready. Sophie is ready. Let's make games begin. Round 1. And don't forget to dali lang. Kaya mo yan, Sir Jomar. Let's wait for Sophie. There you go. Sir, ikaw na. Come on. Here. Turn and wheel. Okay? Yun, ang galing ni Sir. One more. Bigyan mo saan. Yun. Alright, Sir Jomar. Binigay dito sa pwesto mo. Round 2. Hey, officer. Let's make it a bit harder, okay? Just a bit harder. Sir Jomar, ito yung gagawin mo naman. Ano yan, officer? Water! Di na! Joke lang yun, sir. Ito talaga. Ito na yung gagawin mo talaga. Lay down and roll over. Diba? Ano kayo yun, Sir Jomar? Ang dali lang nun. Alright? Sir, it's your turn. So, right here. Yes, sir. Lay down. Ready? Now, come on, roll over. One more. Another one.
Nadulas-tuloy siya.
Okay, yun na. Yun na. Pwede ba sa picture?
Kung pa yun, yung isang ganun pa yun, wala na, laglag yun.
It's okay. Now, do you wanna see more?
Buti,
Ang hina naman. Do you wanna see more? Alright.
buti nagkakuhan siya.
Final round. Sir, this is the final round, okay? So, watch carefully kasi ito na, sir, yung pinaka-hardest. Now, Sophie, ano gagawin ni Sir Jomar? Like, stop. Kaya?
Tangi.
Kaya ba? Yes, kaya ba ni Sir Jomar yun? Sir, basta na dito, sir.
Patay, diretso ka dyan.
Like and stop. Okay? Yaka mo na, sir. Huwag ka mo na maalis dyan. So, I want you to count with me. All together, let's count. 1, 2, 3, slide.
Diretso siya.
Bakit ka nag-dive?
Patay.
Ang galing ka na! Ang galing ka, sir! Nagala!
Sabi ko eh, yung kanina, muntik siya. Ngayon, nadali siya.
Well, folks, I think this is the end of our competition. How about a big round of applause for Sir Jomar?
Nag-dive tuloy siya. Hindi kaya may libre damit yan. Bibigyan yan sama sa
your
iyo.
cooperation. You have shown
Kasi hindi,
your passion and your
pag ganyan, tapos makakuha ako dyan, ako, hindi ako papagod ng damit eh.
Because of that, sir, we have something for you. As you deserve, wow, a juicy fish. Sige, sir, kainin mo na. I'm just kidding. Why don't you go ahead and give it to Sophie? Let's move
Yung may
closer.
damit yung pag ganyan.
Just throw it into her mouth, just like that. Sige, sir.
Dive siya eh.
Yan, very good. Sir Jomar, don't worry, okay? Since you are all wet, you have a new shirt, shorts, and slippers from the gift shop. All for free.
Meron na yan. Dumadive siya eh. Kanina, hindi siya daan eh.
Hey, officer.
Yes.
And Sophie, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Officer Wayne. Sir Jomar, better luck next time, okay?
Tay,
To our great guests. Now, let's move on. Our sea lions have come up with a few ideas on how we can take better care of our environment. Well, here's
lalo na
one.
pag galing sa
Our
init.
sea lions would like to remind us not to throw our trash in the ocean because that is their home. Littering is ugly and it's very dangerous. And now, folks, we all know that a plastic bag, like this one, could kill. Did you all know that? Whales, dolphins, sea lions, sea turtles, and other marine animals could easily swallow this plastic bag. They could choke and die. while fishing lines and pieces of nets like this one could kill tens of thousands of marine animals every year. Well, this can get wrapped around their neck and their flippers and could cause great damage. Just like, just like a broken flipper. Oh, see that? And that is going to be painful. Now, like what I've said, nets left behind are extremely dangerous. Animals like Sophie can get entangled with this kind of net and see what will happen next. Where's Sophie? Now, after getting entangled slowly, oh no, see that? She drowned. Poor Sophie. Well, what a fine acting job, though. So, folks, how about a big round of applause for Sophie? And now, to be a true conservationist, the Marine Patrol always practices the 3 R's.
And the first R is reduce. Will reduce the amount of trash you make by buying items of larger sizes. Now, did you all know that these 4 small bottles here are equal to a big one? So better buy the bigger one, of course. And for the next R, let's see what do we have here. Come on, Pearl. Alright, for the second R, we have here reuse. Reuse items like bags, boxes, and bottles whenever you can. And here's a great tip from Pearl. Canvas bag can make great grocery bag, and you can even save on paper and plastic. Now, do you have any idea what glass are? Anyone?
Recycle.
Recycle. Okay, so let's see if you're right. And for the last R, yes, you are correct. Recycle. Recycle materials like aluminum, paper, glass, and even a plastic container, just like that one. And now Sophie will show you how.
Alright, Sophie, there's a plastic container on the water. What are you going to do? Well, of course, she picks it up and takes it where? Of course, in the nearest recycling center. Great job, Sophie girl. So now, folks, as you can see, cleaning up after herself is such a simple thing to do. And it helps our nature and environment so much. So if our sea lions can do it, well, so can we. We should do
The officer just didn't see that, so he's trying to get your attention.
Oh, maybe she would like to say something.
I think Pearl also.
Okay, now let's do it together.
Come on, girls, speak up.
Speak up, girls.
Apple chair.
Wow, that was loud and clear. So do you have any idea on what they said? No, you don't have to worry because officer Justin did understand sea lion language.
Well, yes, I do. Actually, what they said is, let's make every day Earth Day. Is that right, girls?
Well, another mission accomplished, another step taken towards a better Earth. Officer Justin,
Yes, Officer
I
Ian.
think that we should celebrate with song dancing.
Now, folks, please put your hands together for Sophie and Pearl.
Mabuti wala tayo sa harap.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sophie and Pearl.
So on behalf of our sea lions here at Ocean Adventure, we would like to say thank you for joining us here today. But before you go, please join us in the crowd salute.
Everybody, salute to the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. We are working very hard to protect our precious marine resources. So everyone, please do your part to help.
Now once again folks, maraming salamat po and we hope you enjoy your stay here at Ocean Adventure. Goodbye everyone.
Goodbye!